Welcome to this short tutorial on using your Academic Requirements Report. Your Academic Requirements Report is one of the best tools available to you to help track your graduation requirements and guide you on what classes you need to register for. To view your Academic Requirements Report, log into your PeopleSoft Student Center. On the left-hand side, you will see a link that says Academic Requirements, or you can select the Academic Requirements option from the drop-down menu. The AR report starts off by showing you all of your in-progress courses. These are the classes that you are currently taking this semester. In-progress courses are indicated with a yellow diamond. The AR report goes on to detail your progress on each of the 5 TU graduation requirements, starting with the 2.0 minimum cumulative GPA. In this example, this graduation requirement says not satisfied because this student has not yet established a GPA because they are a first semester freshman. The next graduation requirement shown is the 120 credits. All of the classes listed here are counting towards the 120 credits needed for a TU degree. It includes classes that you are currently taking, as well as any credits that you may have transferred in based off of IB, AP, or dual enrollment. Next, you see the 32 upper level credit requirement. There are no classes listed here because the student has yet to take any 300 or 400 level courses. The fourth graduation requirement is that you complete the core. All 14 core categories are listed and will either indicate satisfied or not satisfied. If a core category is collapsed or closed, that is because you have taken a class or are currently enrolled in a class that meets that core requirement. You can open or expand the category to see what that class is. So in this example, Core 2 is being met by English 102, which this student is currently enrolled in. You can see the yellow diamond indicating that this is in progress. And once the course is completed, a grade will show up here in this section where it says grade. This section will let you know what core options you have to select from when you are picking your classes for next semester. So this student can look for classes that satisfy Core 1, 3, 4, 5, etc. If you open Core 12, you can see that this category is being met by Geography 109. There is a green check mark here indicating that this class was successfully completed. Directly below the core categories, you should see your major listed along with the requirements. If the major in your AR report is not correct, that means you need to change your major in the system by completing a change of major form located on the registrar's website. This is something you should do as soon as possible so that your major requirements are accurately reflected, and your advisor can assist you with this if needed. Again, if the requirement is collapsed or closed, that means you have completed it, and the course should be listed with a green check mark. Or if you are enrolled in it, it will be indicated by a yellow diamond. For example, Bio 120 and 120 Lab are courses that are currently in progress for this student. The same goes for English 102. The courses listed as not satisfied are courses you still need to take and possible options for classes that you can register for next semester. Remember that some courses have prerequisites and you will not be allowed to register for a class that you have not met the prerequisite for. If you have a second major or a minor, you will also find those requirements listed here as well. If you have not declared a major yet, this section will be empty. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using your Academic Requirements Report. If you have further questions, please contact your assigned academic advisor.